Saturday. It has been way too long since I have posted a stitch tutorial. Today I am going to be showing you how to do the twisted knit stitch in Tunisian crochet. And I'm using Billow yarn, which is 100% Pima cotton from Knit Picks We Crochet. And then I'm using my Furls 6mm Tunisian crochet hook. So let's get started. I'm going to do a chain, a foundation row first. So I'm going to chain, let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'm just going to work into the back chains. I'm going to pull up a loop in each of the chains to get my foundation row. Right, and then we're just going to do a normal return pass to get the foundation row. Okay, and then so the twisted knit stitch is pretty simple. So, you know, when you do the knit stitch, you're just going through into the back and pulling up a loop. With the twisted knit stitch, you can do it in two ways. So I'll show you the first way, which is you are just twisting the bar behind. You are going to bring it to the front, then you're going to work into the space here and pull up a loop. So take the bar that's in the back, pull it up, and then you're going to go through the chain space here and just pull up a loop. And that's your twisted knit stitch. It gives a different look. And then what you could do is you could even twist the one in the front, like just pull it up. Oops. So basically you would just pull up the first one like this and then do your normal. You're going to go through and it creates a different type of twist. It looks like that. So that one, I'm going to show you again. You're going to basically go this way and just twist it around, and then you're going to work into that space and pull up a loop. So we're going to pull it up this way, and you're basically twisting it, and then just pull up a loop, and it gives you this twisted look here, which is a little bit different. And then the other one, you're basically picking it up from behind and then just pulling through, and it gives you that look. This one gives you more of like a knotted look, I guess, the other way that you would twist it, but I like the one with the where you're pulling up the bar that's behind, then you're going to work into the chain like that. And then there is one more, so I'm just going to work it like that, and then just work into your last, just go under both loops and pull up your last stitch like that, and then chain one and do the return pass. I'm going to do one more row of the version I like of the twisted knit stitch. Okay, So it's kind of what so you can see this one looks kind of like a pearl. It's like a knotted version. And the other one is just like a twisted stitch. So I'm going to show you the one I like again. So basically what we're doing is we're pulling up the bar that's behind, and then we're going to work into the space over here and pull up a loop. So we're going to work into the bar behind. We're going to pull up the bar behind to the front and then go into the space and pull up a loop, and that's your twisted knit stitch. Pull up the bar that's behind, go in to the space and pick up a loop. I mean the bar, the vertical bar that's behind, you're just gonna pick it up, and then we are gonna work into the space, pick up a loop like that, and then again pick up the bar in the back, and then go into the chain space and pull up a loop. Pick up the bar that's behind, pick up a loop. There we go. So that's the bar behind. Pull it up to the front, and then work into the space, grab a loop and pull it through the space and pull up a loop like that. And then we're going to work under both loops the last stitch. And then I'm going to do a return pass again. Right. So this is kind of what the twisted knit stitch looks like. I'm going to do it again. So we're pulling up the loop that's behind to the front, going into the space and pulling up a loop. Find the bar in the back, twist it up, and go into the space and pull up a loop. I'm going to do that across. It's very, I think it creates a very dense fabric, so it'd be good for like ear warmers, sweaters, things like that. Or even if you want to do like a kitchen scrubby or something. This is what it looks like. It's very tight stitches. It's creating like that twisted stitch. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions. Drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.